Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by taking direct control of the screen. First, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center and drag the brightness slider to a comfortable level. This gives instant feedback. Once done, open Settings Display and Brightness to see persistent controls like True Tone and Auto Brightness. Make sure Auto Brightness is visible under Accessibility if you prefer manual control. These first actions change immediate output and reveal the system features that might be altering brightness automatically. Now refine quality and behavior. Toggle True Tone to match ambient color temperature and disable it if colors look washed out. Night Shift shifts blues and can feel dimmer. On Pro Motion models, check Display Refresh settings because variable refresh can influence perceived brightness. Under Accessibility Display and Text Size, use Reduce White Point to soften harsh whites or turn it off to restore full luminance. Remember, low power mode and heavy background processes can lower peak brightness, so make sure they are off while calibrating. Finish by restarting your iPhone and installing any pending iOS updates. System bugs sometimes limit brightness. If problems persist, reset display settings or reset all settings as a last resort. This preserves data but clears display-related tweaks. Test in bright outdoor sunlight and dim indoor rooms to ensure consistent behavior. Troubleshooting tip: if brightness remains incorrect, make sure nothing blocks the ambient light sensor. Remove a thick case or tinted protector. Toggle auto brightness off and on, and if needed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.